Hey guys, how's it going? This is Scott of ET Database. This is a UFO UFOs from the STS-43 mission. Now the STS-43 mission is the Space Shuttle Atlantis. Yes, the famous one that was on CNN Worldwide News with UFOs following it. They actually said the word UFOs dozens, maybe hundreds of times. The Space Shuttle Atlantis at that time was delayed for 2 days, I believe, not being allowed to land, saying they don't have the clearance. There are unknown objects. There are UFOs below it in orbit, and they're feeling that there's some kind of threat to the Space Shuttle Atlantis until it's clear to land. They're delaying the landing, they said. Well, this is the reason. Look at these strange objects. Now, Space Shuttle Atlantis is a pretty awesome shuttle. This is from 1991, August of 1991, the STS-43 mission. And as you see, in the first right here, first, second, two, third, fourth, fifth. There's two again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Do you see that? There are 5 photos in line with each other, and it's just amazing that there's 2 UFOs, not one. Just a few seconds ago, I only noticed the one. I didn't really notice the second one until I started recording. Oh my God. Okay, so this is just amazing to me. This is absolutely amazing. Let's take a closer look at the source and some of these photos. Here is the actual NASA website that it came from. This is the Gateway to Astronomy Photography of Earth. And if you come down to the bottom, you see it's right here, NASA emblem, NASA Responsible Officer William Stefov, Curator, blah, 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 email, managed for subscription. Go ahead and talk to him. It won't be up for long if you do. Now, look at this. This is pretty amazing. The UFO's here. There's another one way out there. I didn't see that earlier. It says image details. Well, right down here is the location of where it's at. And it looks like it's, it's over the Tibet area, the China area. Wow, not too far from where I live. I live right there, Taiwan, and this is right in this location. Now, the image details, of course, say shuttle tail debris, ? Which means they don't know what it is. They call it debris. Yeah, good one, debris. I don't think so. Anyway, this is one of the photos. Here's another one, and this one looks a lot better over here, and you can see the object here, another one down here. So it's just amazing. Go check that out. I'll put the source in the about description below this video. Here we have the actual photo. I just enlarged it incredibly so, actually. About 5 to 10 times. It's pretty large now. Let's take a closer look at the UFOs themselves. Now, if we use the photo program, and add light, it doesn't really bring any of the objects in question to focus. We can't really see it much better that way. So what we're going to do instead of adding light, let's cancel that. What we're going to actually do is add shadows to it. I want to add shadows. Okay, here is one of the objects in question that I want to focus on. Now, as you see, before and after I added it, before, after, it's doing its job. This is what we want. We want to see this thing focused as well as possible. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, this is about as focused as I believe it will ever get. We can continue. Okay, wow, we can continue. We're beginning to see the outline of something strange and something unusual. Wow, that's strange. Okay, I'd never tried this before. This is the first time. I'm just doing it with you. Okay, it doesn't seem to be taking on any great things. Add darkness to it instead. Add darkness to it instead. Wow, that is a weird, strange thing. It doesn't look like a piece of anything. It doesn't look like a space shuttle tile. It doesn't look like anything to me. Let's try another one. Let's try another photo. Okay. And there is 2 UFOs, just like in the earlier one. But let's focus on the one object. Okay, that is different. I mean, the shape of this looks totally different than earlier. Let's try to add shadow so we can bring out some of the detail. This is after I add shadow, before, after, before. Big difference. We can see some detail now. So what I'm doing is actually helping the object focus itself. Whoa, where's that pink coming from? I have no idea. Didn't know there's pink on the object. Now, as far as I know, there's no pink on the Space Shuttle Atlantis. It's not made by the Japanese. There's no Hello Kitty version of the Space Shuttle Atlantis, although I did take an airplane to Japan once, and it was littered with Hello Kitty from nose to tail. This is different. This is strange. Why is the pink there? My photo program is 100% accurate. Whoa. Oh my God. I believe we're seeing accurate description of this UFO. And I imagine this is probably the front of it and the back. Whoa. I'm going to have to enlarge this a little bit more. Hold on. Now we're only looking at the object now. I want to focus on this for you guys. It just looks like it has a lot of detail. You can see structure on this object. I never suspected and never knew it was there. I might have started the video with this in the front of it if I'd known. But this is pretty amazing. Only the people who watch this are going to see this. As you see, there seems to be some structure right there. I mean, that's not pixelization. I mean, there's a tiny bit of pixelization, but you can see structure. You can see tubular square objects in this area. This is very strange. Look at that. Look at the detail of this. Well, I never suspected. I'm going to add some focus to it, see what happens. Pretty good. Add some more focus to it. That's a little bit too much. Ooh, not really. Not really. Very strange. Very strange. I mean, this is as big as I can enlarge it. But look at that. It's not really out of focus too much. It's really unusual. We could at least see the actual shape to it. It's almost like a second mini shuttle out there, whatever this is. And why the pink is on it, I have no clue why the pink is on it. Maybe this thing is flashing its own lights at the time. Maybe, a lot of UFOs do have flashing lights on them. Maybe this one does too, as a warning to space shuttle people that they exist. They're in this location, and they're trying to be careful with the same precautions that humans have. Lights, using a light as a signal for safety, I guess. Wow. Guys, this is just mind-blowing. Like and subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button right now if you haven't hit it. Share this on social media. Merry Christmas in case I'm not around, if I'm not saying it later. This is just totally awesome. Hope you like it. Wow. I'm just still blown away. See you later, guys.